Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a Chanel unboxing. I am so excited to be ticking this bag off of my wish list. If you guys didn't see my wish list, I'll link it right up here. But this is a wish list bag and I'm so excited. So if you want to know what Chanel bag I recently got, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like handbags, luxury, fashion, shoes, Chanel unboxings, I think this is where you're going to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every single day. There's reels, there's outfit of the days, there's stories. It's a lot. It's a lot. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video.
Everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else.
This is my new Chanel Business Affinity in the small size. I think this is also called the mini. I'm very confused. I'm not gonna lie to you, but this is the smallest size, I believe, in the 22p light pink. You guys know I wanted a bag in this color so bad, and let me tell you how I decided to get the Business Affinity. I've always loved it, but I only really liked it in white. And when I was getting the Lady Dior in white, I actually was going between the two. Like, do I want a Business Affinity in white or do I want the Lady Dior in white? I ended up settling on the white Lady Dior, which I'm very happy about. But then it kind of left me with this want for a Business Affinity, but I didn't want to get another white bag. I don't really like to repeat colors in bags. You guys know this already. If you didn't see my 10 unpopular opinions video, I'll link it right up here. You guys know I wanted this 22p pink, and it had to be the 22p pink because this is, in my opinion, just the most beautiful baby pink that there is. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at this color. This is stunning. And I was between getting this color in either a Cocoa Handle or the Business Affinity. But like I said, I decided on the Business Affinity because the Cocoa Handle I like in multiple colors. Like, I could get a Cocoa Handle in literally any color and be happy. The Business Affinity, I think, really, for me, in my opinion, looks best in really, really light colors. So instead of getting white, and you guys know I wanted this baby pink, this one popped up on Fashion File and I was like, wait a second. She is in like brand new condition. You can see that there are still stickers, even though this is from Fashion File, and the Fashion File sticker or whatever, the Fashion File, what is this called? What is this thing? Tag. That's the word. The word's tag. The tag is still on it because I don't know if you guys do this. Let me know if you do. Otherwise, I just sound like a crazy person. But when I get a new bag, I kind of just like let it sit with my collection, see how she's doing, see if it looks good, if it looks like it makes sense, and if it kind of just flows. This was the perfect addition. Okay, I feel like the Business Affinity is just such a classy bag. I don't know why. I don't feel like most people feel that way. A lot of people don't really like this pocket on the front. I really don't care, to be honest. I'm probably never gonna use it, but I just don't care. I think it looks really cute, and I feel like it's a very classy bag. Like, whenever I see somebody carrying a Business Affinity, I'm just like, oh, okay. I'm so happy that I went with the Business Affinity just because I feel like this color in this bag is perfection. Literally, it's perfection. Look at this. Look at this. Stop. So this is my new Business Affinity. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. Like I said, I know a lot of people do not like it. And if you guys want me to film like a full in-depth review on it, definitely let me know. I would be very open to doing that. Obviously, I haven't used it yet because the tag is still on. So once I actually use it, then I will film that. But I am just so happy. There are so many outfits that I'm like, I'm not gonna wear that yet because this would look too good with my baby pink bag that I'm gonna get in the future at some point. The future is here. We've gotten it, so now I can wear a bunch of my baby pink outfits. You guys are gonna get so sick of me. Let me cut the tag off because I've decided that she's a keeper, okay? We've brought the Big Daddy scissors out. No safety scissors today. Let's do it together, shall we? 1, 2, 3. I'm getting to the point where I'm like, I don't know how to like match these bags up anymore. Like, do you guys look at my collection and see if there's like a better way for me to do this? Let me know. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about my newest addition. Let me know what you think about this color. Also, I should show you it compared to my pink mini rectangle, which I also adore. So these are the two pinks. You can see they're like they're very clearly different pinks. You know, this is like a really cute baby pink, which I'm a little nervous about, if I'm gonna be honest. It's like almost white. And then this is like a rosy pink, which is like the exact shade of pink that I wanted, by the way, when I was looking for this bag. I wanted a medium tone pink because this goes with literally everything. But that's all I have to say for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. I'm literally thinking about my next bag while I'm unboxing this bag. But listen, I actually have a video coming out very soon about somebody going on Van Island. I don't know. Somebody needs to go. Somebody clearly needs to go. But yeah, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I do look like Steve Jobs today, let me tell you. I do. I really do. Steve Jobs with big ass triangle earrings. Why is my hair so flat? You know, it wasn't this flat until I refreshed it.